All right, so picking up from where we left off last time, what we're going to do is we are going to create a hole right here at the top. So in order to do that, we'll go to sketch, okay, and we can either select here or we can just go to sketch, and then select right there, top again, and we can use the circle, and then we place it anywhere. You can just place it anywhere you want. No dimensions uh, to be specific for now. So just place it right there. Okay. I do want to have um, a certain diameter for this circle. So I'm just gonna go to Smart Dimensions, select that, and I'm just gonna select the circumference of this circle. So I'm gonna select it. I either get this or I can also get that. Okay. I want the diameter to be 1 inch, so I'm gonna change it to 1 inch. Okay. And I wanna go and make that a hole. So I'll go to features. In this case, instead of using extruded boss, I'm actually gonna use extruded cut. Okay. Yeah, notice how the program knows what you want, so it changed the point of view. Okay. And I want this to be cut at 3 inches. There's more options for extrusions, but for now we're just gonna use that. Okay. And so check mark either this one or this one. So I'm just gonna select that right there. Okay. Now you see you have the hole right there. Okay. And then I actually want to create a square on this end. So I'll just go back to sketch, select this face, and I'm gonna put a rectangle at the bottom end. Okay. And I'll go back to features, extrude cut, and I want this. Notice again, the system knows that you want to cut it, right? And it's already showing you what this is going to look like. So I want to, I'm just gonna extrude it. And you know what? Let me go back to the sketch. No, that's fine. We can continue with that and just features. Don't worry about putting the dimensions for this guy right there. Um, you can just put the check mark and it'll be cut. Okay. So in this case, let's say that you change your mind. Okay, let's say you're telling yourself, you know what? I actually do want to put a dimensions to that. So all you have to do is just on the one that you just did, there's this little drop down menu. You can go to the sketch 3, right click, edit. You see this right here? Edit sketch. And you can go back and change the dimensions. So let's make this, okay, 0.75, 0.75 by 0.75. Yeah, 0.75. Okay. And then maybe this rectangle moved down here, or this line moved outside of this range. And that's something that I want to cover later on. Okay. So I'm gonna do the check mark. And this is what you should have as of right now. Okay. All right. So that's pretty much it.